Spika wa bunge la kaunti ya Kiambu Stephen Ndishu amewaagiza wawakilishi wote wa kaunti hiyo kuhakikisha wamepimwa virusi vya korona, akisema hakuna yoyote atakayekubaliwa kuingia ndani ya bunge hilo bila kuonyesha cheti cha matokeo ya hali yake. Haya yanajiri baada ya mwakilishi wa wadi ya Muguga Eliud Ngugi kufariki usiku wa kuamkia leo kutokana na makali ya virusi vya korona.
We've lost a great soldier, but we pray to God that he will give the family peace that surpasses all human understanding, and that he will rest his soul in eternal peace. I will be making further statements on the progress. Today was just to make this official announcement. We would want to stick to the COVID protocols and the conditions that have been set up by the Ministry of Health.
All the members who attended a meeting with Honorable Thithia last week in Mombasa are going to be tested, and actually that has been kicked off, and it is good that all of us know their status before we go to meet with other people. And I'm urging everyone, don't let anyone come to your meeting unless his status are known to all of you. Neither should I be allowed to come to your meeting unless you know my status, because this is becoming too much now. The president is very keen about the containment measures, and we are going to support him.
Maafisa